Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a place that you would like to go to relax. The first question is, do people have enough places to relax in your country? Now every country has places that people go to relax. For example, in India, we've got places such as Goa or Shimla or Ladakh or Nainital. There are different places where people go to relax. So the answer is, in India, individuals relax at different places such as parks, cafes, and recreational areas. Recreational areas are areas where people go to have fun. Okay. Mostly people socialize with friends, read books, or enjoy nature. So people go to cafes to have food, or they go to places like where they can read books. So people go to cafe, have a cup of coffee, and take a book with them, and then they spend hours and hours there. Or they go to places like beach, okay, to enjoy nature. Okay. Second question is, what do people usually do when they are relaxed? So what are the activities that people do when they are relaxed? Well, in my view, people typically engage in various activities when they seek relaxation, such as listening to music, practicing mindfulness, or pursuing hobbies. People do a lot of stuff to relax. They listen to music, or they read a book, or they play in some board games as well. Additionally, spending time with family and engaging in leisurely pursuits, activities that you do when you have free time, are common ways to unwind. Common ways to unwind means to relax. Okay. The third question is physical activity good for relaxation? Yes, physical activity is highly beneficial for relaxation and it helps release endorphins. Endorphins are kind of a hormone, okay, and reduces stress. Activities like jogging, yoga, or a simple walk promotes relaxation and gives a sense of well-being. Okay. Now the fourth question is, do people have to spend a lot of money to relax? Now this answer is asking yes or no. Okay, you can say yes, people have to spend a lot of money to go and relax. Traveling from your hometown to any other place requires money in terms of you're spending money on fuel, food, and other things as well. And in this answer, I've said no. Spending a substantial amount of money is not always necessary for relaxation. For instance, individuals can engage in cost effective activities which do not need much money, like reading, walking, or spending time with loved ones to relax. The fifth and the last question is, how do students relax themselves? Well, students employ various relaxation techniques such as listening to music, practicing mindfulness, they do like yoga, okay, or participating in recreational activities like art, drawing. Balancing leisure with academic responsibilities is crucial for their overall well-being. So students often have to balance things. They have to play sports as well as study so that their mind is relaxed and they can study with full concentration. So this was the follow-ups for describe a place where you would like to relax. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button